hear the sound, guys? Welcome to my channel Tasty Food for All. Today we are going to learn this crispy potato chips recipe. So let's start. I have taken these three gold and old potatoes. How will you recognize the old potatoes? Usually there is no specific identification. When the skin starts to shrink, that's when we recognize them as old. What I do is I'll just buy the potatoes and keep it in my rack, and I'll not use it for 2 weeks and keep an eye on them when they are just about to start sprouting. That's when I'll start using them. Can you see the sprout on the potato? Let me peel them and come back and we'll slice them. Potato slicer is also plays an important role in getting thin and crispy chips. Can you see the gap? Very less gap. You might be thinking that why did I use the old potatoes? Old potatoes tend to have less moisture. The less moisture in the potatoes, the more crispier the chips become. Can you see that how thin it is? Looks so transparent. Wash them and drain the water. Let's wash them second time. Handle with care because they are very thin. Take muslin cloth and spread all the slices on it to get rid of the moisture from the slices. Let them dry just for 10 minutes under the fan. Chips have been drying under fan since 15 minutes. Since they are very thin, it took less time to dry. Make sure that there should not be any moisture on the slices, and then it will be ready for deep frying. Keep the oil for heating. When the oil is hot, we'll start frying chips. Make sure fry them on medium low flame. Let's check once the oil is hot or not. The oil is ready for frying. Don't overfill the pan with slices. When you see the bubbles are gone in the oil and when it stops sizzling sound, that's when you can take out the chips from the oil. Can you hear the drastic change in sound when it is done? Can you hear the sound? Add some salt. Can you see and hear the crispiness? Since the chips are thin and dry, it absorbed very less oil. So guys, give a thumbs up and subscribe, share and hit the bell icon. Thank you. Thank you so much.